Hi, 6th grade students. This is Mr. Alford. This is just a quick video review of multiplying decimals. We have 9.42 times 31. All right, 1 times 2, that's 2. And 1 times 4, that's 4. And 1 times 9, that's 9. All right, so next line, we always put one more 0 than we had in the last line, so we put a 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12, so a 2 goes here, and we carry the 1. 3 times 9 is 27, add 1, 28. So now we need to add these numbers together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 6 is 10, so 0 goes here, carry the 1. 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So 2 goes here, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. And bring down the 2. Alright, we have to talk for a quick second about how many decimal places this result is going to have. When we multiply with decimals, what we do is we count the number of decimal places in our first number and in our second number. So in our first number, we have 2 decimal places. So I'm just going to write a 2 over here to say 2 decimal places. Okay, and we have 0 decimal places in 31. So 2 plus 0, well, 2 plus 0 is 2. And that is how many decimal places we are going to have in our final answer. So 1, 2, and there. So that's my answer, 292.02. So again, the number of decimal places in your answer is going to be the number of decimal places in your first number plus the number of decimal places in your second number. Okay. One more quick thing. So 9.42 times 3.1. So this is a tiny bit different. Instead of multiplying, so same first number, the second number instead of 31 is 3.1. So already off the bat, I know that I'm going to have the same numbers in my answer like I had in the last answer. 29202. 29202. Okay, I'm just multiplying the same numbers together. So I'm going to have the same numbers in my result. So the only thing that's going to be different in this answer is going to be how many decimal places this answer has. So there are 2 decimal places in this first number, okay? Plus we have 1 decimal place in our second number. So 2 plus 1 means we have 3. We have 3 decimal places in our answer. So 1, 2, 3. All right, so 29.202 is our answer for this multiplication problem. And that's all the help for this video. Email me or call me if you have questions. Good luck, guys.